I had a chance to visit Hasta Shilpa Village Museum in Manipal. It was like stepping into a living storybook of India's architectural and cultural heritage. This remarkable open air heritage museum was conceived in the year 1970 by Vijayanath Shenoy. He was a retired banker whose passion for conservation grew from salvaging parts of old houses being demolished to ultimately locating and reconstructing entire traditional structures in Manipal. Over decades of work evolved into a heritage village that we see today. It features dozens of restored ancestral buildings from across South India that embody the lifestyle, crafts, and ethos of bygone eras. The village is famous for preserving traditional architecture forms and craftsmanship that might otherwise have vanished under modern development pressure. Unlike a typical museum where objects sit behind glass, here the buildings themselves are the exhibits.
Hey, sure, 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 sure. Hey, sure.
Every house is complete with furniture, tools, textiles, household articles, offering a very deep immersive glimpse into Manipal and Udupi's diverse cultural past. Architecturally, the site is a fascinating mosaic of regional styles and vernacular traditions. You will find ancient temples like 13th century Harihara Mandir, Maratha era palaces, Kerala style courtyard homes, European influenced Bangalore Christian houses, and many more structures that showcase how local climate, materials, and cultural influences shape built form. The careful restoration and reconstruction preserve intricate woodwork, carved pillars, courtyards, and climatic adaptations. It reveals how traditional design balanced function, aesthetics, and local identity.
मेहनत करना पड़ेगा इसके ऊपर. Oh my god, it's so hot.
ఇదేనంతటెల్లా మళ్ళీ అత్త మనదిల్లు